welcome back, guys. So today I have a special request from viewers that want to know how to clean their stainless steel appliances. This one is the GE Profile stainless steel refrigerator, double door. So I'm going to attempt to clean this and make it shine again. So I'll be using this distilled white vinegar. This is 5% acidity. So be sure to use something soft. You don't want to use like a abrasive brush, or it's going to scratch the stainless steel metal. So anyway, let's go ahead and start this. I will try to apply this without boiling the water right now. By the way, you want to be sure to wear the rubber glove, because vinegar, if you sit too long on your skin, it eventually is going to eat up your skin. So I got this nice rubber glove that is see-through on the top from Costco. It was 10 pair for $10 or $9.99. So this is even cheaper than Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. So I'll be using this sponge. Don't use the rough side, okay? I was gonna scratch it. Only the soft side. I'm gonna pour some in here. So if you got the hard water or sediment water staying over there, you might want to let it sit for a little bit before you wipe it out again. So I added some more. I'm gonna add some soap over here. So a good thing about the soap, it is sticky, so it makes the vinegar stick onto the stain or the hot water, and then we'll stick to it and ease it up. Wow, look at that shine. All the streak has been gone. Let me try to apply some of this white mineral oil to make a good look. Alright, so here is the final result. The problem with the stainless steel, you need to wipe it in the same stroke, or else it's going to have a streak here and there. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.